Dealing with dry hair can be a constant struggle, but finding the right shampoo and conditioner can make all the difference. Today, we're exploring the top 5 shampoos and conditioners specifically designed to tackle dryness, offering hydration and nourishment to restore your hair's vitality. From luxurious oils to rich butters, these products are formulated to provide the moisture your hair needs. Let's dive in and discover which of these is perfect for your dry hair. Kicking off our list at number 1, Moroccanoil Moisture Repair. The Moroccanoil Moisture Repair shampoo and conditioner are renowned for their ability to deeply hydrate and repair dry, damaged hair. Infused with argan oil and reconstructive proteins, this duo promises to rejuvenate your locks and restore their natural softness and shine. Key features: the shampoo contains a blend of nourishing ingredients, including argan oil and keratin, which help to repair and strengthen damaged hair. The conditioner is enriched with fatty acids and antioxidants to provide intense moisture and improve overall hair health. Both products are free of sulfates, phosphates, and parabens, making them gentle on the hair and scalp. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage gently, and rinse thoroughly. Follow with the conditioner, applying it from mid-lengths to ends, and leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. This regimen helps to hydrate and repair dry hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and more manageable. Usability: both products have a rich, creamy texture that lathers well and spreads easily. The conditioner provides a silky feel, making detangling a breeze. They also have a pleasant, signature Moroccanoil fragrance that lingers subtly throughout the day. Durability: the 250 ml bottles of both the shampoo and conditioner typically last 1 to 2 months with regular use. Though they are on the pricier side, their effectiveness in restoring moisture and repairing damage justifies the investment. In the second spot, we have SheaMoisture Raw Shea Butter. The SheaMoisture Raw Shea Butter shampoo and conditioner are celebrated for their natural and nourishing approach to hair care. Formulated with raw shea butter and other enriching ingredients, these products are designed to deeply hydrate and revitalize dry, brittle hair. Key features: this duo features raw shea butter, which is rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, providing intense moisture and promoting hair elasticity. The shampoo also contains natural oils like argan oil and sea kelp, which help to cleanse and restore the scalp while enhancing hair softness. The conditioner further enriches the hair with its blend of natural butters and oils. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. Follow with the conditioner, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Regular use of this regimen helps to nourish dry hair, improve texture, and add a healthy shine. Usability: the shampoo has a creamy texture that lathers well and cleanses without stripping natural oils. The conditioner is thick and rich, making it ideal for detangling and adding moisture. Both products have a natural, subtle scent that complements their organic ingredients. Durability: the 384 ml bottles are designed to last approximately 2 to 3 months with regular use. Given their natural ingredients and effective moisturizing properties, they offer good value for their price. Coming in at number 3 is the Aveda Dry Remedy. Aveda Dry Remedy moisturizing shampoo and conditioner are formulated to address the needs of dry hair with a blend of natural plant extracts. Known for their eco-friendly approach, these products are designed to provide deep hydration and restore moisture balance. Key features: the shampoo features a blend of buriti oil and pomegranate extract, which work together to infuse hair with essential moisture. The conditioner contains a mix of organic plant oils and a moisturizing complex that enhances hydration and helps to lock in moisture. Both products are free from synthetic fragrances and are cruelty-free. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into a lather, and rinse. Follow with the conditioner, applying it evenly from mid-lengths to ends, and leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing. This regimen helps to hydrate, soften, and detangle dry hair, leaving it feeling nourished and revitalized. Usability: the shampoo has a lightweight, creamy texture that provides a gentle cleanse without weighing down the hair. The conditioner is smooth and easy to apply, making it ideal for detangling and adding moisture. The natural fragrance is soothing and not overpowering. Durability: the 250 ml bottles typically last about 1 to 2 months with regular use. While the price point is on the higher side, the quality of ingredients and overall effectiveness in moisturizing dry hair make it a worthwhile investment. Taking our fourth spot is Redken All Soft. Redken All Soft shampoo and conditioner are known for their ability to transform dry, brittle hair into soft, manageable locks. Infused with argan oil and Redken's RCT protein complex, this duo aims to provide intense moisture and improve hair softness. Key features: the shampoo features a combination of argan oil and Redken's exclusive RCT protein complex, which helps to nourish and strengthen hair from root to tip. The conditioner complements this with its rich, moisturizing formula that enhances softness and manageability. Both products are designed to hydrate and repair dry hair. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, work into a lather, and rinse thoroughly. Follow with the conditioner, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. Regular use of this regimen helps to improve hair softness, reduce frizz, and enhance overall moisture. Usability: the shampoo has a luxurious, creamy lather that cleanses effectively without stripping moisture. The conditioner is thick and smooth, making it perfect for detangling and adding hydration. The products have a pleasant fragrance that adds to the overall hair care experience. Durability: the 300 ml bottles are designed to last around 1 to 2 months with consistent use. While priced moderately, the combination of moisturizing and strengthening benefits makes it a valuable addition to any hair care routine. And finally, at number 5, we have Living Proof Restore. Living Proof Restore shampoo and conditioner are formulated to address the needs of dry, damaged hair with a focus on restoring moisture and improving overall hair health. This duo uses patented technologies to deliver visible results and long-lasting hydration. Key features: the shampoo features Living Proof's patented Healthy Hair Molecule (OFPMA) technology, which helps to create a barrier against environmental damage and locks in moisture. The conditioner further enhances this with its blend of restorative ingredients that help to smooth and hydrate hair. Both products are sulfate-free and designed to be gentle on dry hair. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. Follow with the conditioner, applying it from mid-lengths to ends, and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. This regimen helps to restore moisture balance, improve hair texture, and enhance shine. Usability: the shampoo has a lightweight texture that cleanses effectively without weighing hair down. The conditioner is creamy and smooth, making it easy to apply and ideal for detangling. The fresh, subtle fragrance adds to the overall pleasant experience. Durability: the 236 ml bottles typically last around 1 to 2 months with regular use. While the price is higher than some drugstore options, the advanced technology and effective results in restoring dry hair make it a worthy investment. Finding the right shampoo and conditioner for dry hair can truly transform your hair care routine. From luxurious oils to nourishing butters, these top 5 products are designed to provide the hydration and repair your dry hair needs. If you enjoyed this review and want more tips on maintaining healthy, beautiful hair, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and here's to revitalizing your dry hair with the perfect shampoo and conditioner.